Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be walking you through the process on how to make a website for your Dana using the Marty Sites platform. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with the Marty Sites service, Marty Sites is the easiest way to build a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, give it a go, see how it works for you and your small business. Great, let's get cracking building a website for our Dana. Once you've signed up on the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. However, if you just come across this video and you don't have a Dana, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find the market listed here, do comment below and let us know, and we will make sure that we add it. So I'm going to head to the top here and I'm going to search for our market, Dana. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Now Marty Sites needs a few basic details about our Dana so it can work its magic and create a one-page website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name. I'm going to call this Rochelle's Dana, and I'm going to put my city in and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have users from all around the globe. I'm going to leave the type of business as restaurants and click on continue. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a little bit more details about Rochelle's Dana. How can customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number over here as well as my email address. Let's click continue. Okay, where is our Dana located? Let's put our business streets in where our Dana is located and our postal code. Let's move along and click continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open for lunch on a Monday. I'm going to say we open from 11:30 and we close at 10 p.m. I'm also going to say we open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In fact, we're open 7 days a week. Let's click continue. Okay, let's review our hours. Is our location correct? If you need to make amendments, click on update. Hours, all looks good. Let's move along and click next. Okay, and there you have it. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. All I had to do was pop in a few basic details about my Dana, and there you have it. Everything looks really great. Let's take a look. The beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. That looks absolutely amazing. However, if they don't quite work for you, you want to make a few amendments, that's completely okay. With Marty Sites, we've just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your Dana. We wanted to take all the hard work out of it. It's really that easy to use the service. However, I'm going to walk you through each section, work my way from the top to the bottom, just to show you how easy it is to use the platform. You don't need to be super tech savvy. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to hire a web developer. Nothing like that. So I'm going to start from the top. I'm going to click on update section. I'm now going to say show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number that is click to call. My physical location of my Dana is displayed in the top left hand corner and it is clickable. So when customers click on it, it will directly take you to Google Maps to get directions. Let's go ahead and click save and click on update social links. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the Marty Site service is working for you. We'd really love to hear your feedback. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Icons are now displayed in the top right hand corner and are easily clickable so your customers can see what you're up to on social media, give you a follow, and get some engagement going. Let's go ahead and click save and move along. Now, perhaps the color that has been pre-selected for you just doesn't work for your branding. Perhaps throughout your Dana, you have a completely different color branding on your menus and stuff like that. That's completely okay. You can change it and you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various options available and just see what works for you and your business. I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one. Awesome. That really works well with my Dana. And as you can see, it's now used throughout my Marty Sites page. Very happy with it. I'm now going to head to the top and click on update section over here and head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your Dana, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, if you do have one, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer or graphic designer, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are a few great options over there that are free. Great. So I'm now going to click on save. And there we go. My logo has now been uploaded. We can make it bigger and smaller. So I'm going to leave it at that size and click on save. Awesome. Everything's coming together really nicely. Again, with the Mighty Sites, the beauty of it is we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website. So we have pre-written all the content, we've pre-selected all the images. All the images are royalty free, no licenses needed, they're free to use. Only thing you're going to pay for your Mighty Sites is $9 a month, but there is that free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how easy it is to use. You won't regret it. Let's click on update section over here and head to update image. Now you can browse from your device and upload pictures of your Dana that you have had taken. However, you can go ahead and search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. So I really like this image over here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. I'm now going to select photo and save my image selection. Look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. For the content, head over to update content. Feel free to amend the title and subtitles to suit your needs. The button, perhaps you don't offer online ordering system, perhaps you want to say view our menu. So when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to your menu. Let's go ahead and choose a link. We can link to another website, another part of our Mighty Sites page, an action like click to call, get directions. However, for this one, I'm going to upload a PDF file, which is my favorite option. I'm now going to upload my Marty menu for my Dana, and there we go. So now my customers can easily access my menu and see my different menu options when they come to my page. Let's go ahead and click save and close and move along. Now over here is where we can amend our hours and our location if need be. However, we've just done that, so I'm going to skip that section. Over here, another great spot for a high quality image. Upload one from your device by clicking update section or choose one of the free options from the photo library. I'm very happy with this one, so I'm going to leave it as is. On to the next section over here. Again, text pre-written for you. However, go ahead and click on update section and change the copy to suit your Dana. Now we made our way onto the about us section. This image is absolutely perfect, very high quality, so I'm going to leave it. I don't want to change it. However, over here, put in a little bit more information of how your Dana came to be, how you got into the industry, what your Dana offers, more about the chef, how long you've been serving meals. Put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story and how your Dana came to be. Great. So we finally made our way to the bottom of the Mighty Sites section, the last section for the page. I hope this tutorial was helpful on building a one-page website for your Dana. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. It's literally been such a breeze to go through it, go through each section. I haven't need to be super tech savvy. I didn't need to hire a web developer. I didn't know how to know any web development skills. It's that easy to use this platform. One of the most frequent questions we're getting asked at Mighty Sites is, can I link my custom domain? With a professional website comes a custom domain, so absolutely you can definitely link your custom domain. All we need to do is head over to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head to the site dashboard, and over here is where I can connect my custom domain. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel. There's also a blog post over at www.martysites.com. There's also some really great marketing tips for your small business on our blog, so check it out. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in the future, do let us know. We'd appreciate your feedback. If you're struggling to link your domain, drop us a message and we will happy to help you. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.